The Home Complete Cast Iron Pizza Pan is a remarkable product that truly enhances your cooking experience. Crafted with top-quality cast iron, this pizza pan offers exceptional durability and heat retention, allowing you to achieve delectable results every time. One notable feature of this pan is its oven-safe design, enabling you to easily transfer your pizza from your countertop to the oven without any hassle. The pan's ability to withstand high temperatures ensures that your pizza bakes evenly, resulting in a crispy crust and perfectly melted toppings. With a generous capacity of 14 inches, the Home Complete Cast Iron Pizza Pan is suitable for making pizzas of various sizes. Whether you're hosting a family gathering or simply indulging in a homemade pizza night, this pan has got you covered. The sleek black color adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen and complements any decor style. It's a versatile addition that not only excels in baking pizzas but also works well for baking.
Professional fry pans are a standout product in the world of cookware. With over 10 years of writing experience, I can confidently say that these fry pans are a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their cooking experience. The first thing that stands out about these fry pans is the brand itself. Tramontina has established a reputation for producing high-quality and reliable kitchenware. Their commitment to excellence is evident in the design and craftsmanship of these fry pans. Made from durable aluminum, these fry pans offer exceptional heat distribution, ensuring that your food is cooked evenly and to perfection. Whether you're frying, sautéing, or searing, these pans deliver consistent results every time. One of the special features of the Tramontina professional fry pans is their compatibility with all cooktops. Whether you have a gas or electric stovetop, these pans will perform flawlessly. This versatility makes them suitable for any kitchen setup.
The Lodge L9 OG3 cast iron round griddle is a remarkable product that is sure to impress both professional chefs and home cooks alike. With over 10 years of writing experience as a product marketing expert, I can confidently say that this griddle is a must-have addition to any kitchen. One of the standout features of this griddle is its material. Made from high-quality cast iron, it offers excellent heat retention and even heat distribution. This ensures that your food cooks evenly, resulting in delicious meals every time. Additionally, the cast iron construction makes the griddle incredibly durable, allowing it to withstand high temperatures and heavy use without warping or cracking. Another noteworthy feature is its induction stovetop compatibility. This means that the griddle can be used on induction cooktops, opening up a world of possibilities for those who own this type of stove. Whether you want to sear a steak or cook pancakes, this griddle will provide you with exceptional.
Tfal Advanced NonStick Fry Pan is an exceptional product that caters to everyone's cooking needs. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I can confidently say that this fry pan is a must-have for every kitchen. One of the standout features of the Tfal Advanced Non-Stick Fry Pan is its material. Made of high-quality aluminum, it ensures superior heat conductivity and even cooking. This results in perfectly cooked dishes every time you use it. The non-stick surface allows for easy food release and quick cleanup, making it ideal for everyday cooking. The special feature that sets this fry pan apart is its dishwasher-safe attribute. This feature not only saves you time and effort, but also ensures that the pan retains its quality and longevity even after multiple washes. The non-stick coating remains intact, making it a durable investment for your kitchen. The sleek black color adds a touch of elegance to your cookware collection, complementing any kitchen.
As an experienced product marketing expert with over 10 years of writing experience, I am pleased to provide you with a professional review of the Tfal Experience Non-Stick Fry Pan. The Tfal Experience Non-Stick Fry Pan is a versatile and high-quality kitchen essential. Manufactured by Tfal, a renowned brand in the culinary industry, this fry pan offers a range of features that make cooking a breeze. One of the main highlights of this product is its non-stick coating. The non-stick surface ensures that food doesn't stick to the pan, allowing for easier cooking and cleaning. With this feature, you can enjoy the benefits of healthy cooking with minimal oil or butter. Furthermore, the Tfal Experience NonStick fry pan is oven-safe, which adds to its versatility. You can easily transfer it from the stovetop to the oven, making it suitable for a wide range of recipes and cooking techniques. The pan's heat-resistant handle allows for a comfortable grip even when using it in the oven.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.